I took the measurements of my oven and transferred them onto my wood, and I'm measuring here and making my marks where I need to cut all the wooden pieces. I will be using some angle brackets to construct the cover and to connect the pieces together. So I'm using here an extra wood piece under each bracket just to make it more sturdy, and also to help these planks of wood that I'm using to make them a bit less warped. Decided to add some decoration on my cover. I thought I could do some decoupage. It was actually the first time I tried to do decoupage, and I only had this wrapping paper on hand. I thought I could use these lovely flowers and just add a few of them. I didn't like looking at this gap there, which is basically where these planks are joined. So I used a small piece of wood that I had and just filled the gap. Unfortunately, it kind of broke there. So we'll be using some wood glue to fill it in and a piece of pellet.